Hi there. Are you looking to boost your e-commerce sales while saving time on marketing? In today's video, I'll show you how to automate personalized post-quiz emails using Shopify Flows and the Shop Quiz Product Recommender app by Revenue Hunt. Let's dive in. When you combine these two tools, magic happens. Here's how it works. The Shop Quiz app collects detailed customer data through interactive quizzes, like their email, preferences, and product interests. Then, Shopify Flow uses that data to automate tailored follow-ups. The result? Happier customers, better engagement, and increased sales. Step 1. Create a personalized product quiz. Using the Shop Quiz Product Recommender app, you can design a quiz to collect customer preferences. Make sure to ask the right questions to guide your shoppers toward their ideal products. Pro tip: assign customer tags to each quiz response. For example, tag responses with oily skin if someone has oily skin. These tags will make your follow-ups even more targeted. Step 2. Integrate your quiz with Shopify customers. This sends quiz data like email, phone number, or customer tags directly to customer profiles. It's super easy. Just connect your quiz via the Connect tab and publish the changes. Step 3. Automate your email flows with Shopify Flows. Here's how to set it up. In Shopify Admin, go to Marketing, then Automations, and create a new flow. Use Customer Created as the trigger and set conditions based on customer tags. For example, if a customer is tagged with PRQ oily skin, you can send a personalized email recommending products for oily skin. Step 4. Customize your email template. Make sure your emails feel personal and include product recommendations tailored to quiz responses. Step 5. Monitor and improve. Use Shopify Analytics to track open rates, clicks, and conversions. Based on the data, tweak your email content and even try A/B testing to find what works best. And there you have it. By combining the Shop Quiz app with Shopify Flows, you can automate your marketing, deliver a personalized shopping experience, and drive more sales, all while saving time. For even more strategies to grow your e-commerce store, visit revenuehunt.com/blog. Happy selling!